Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our troubleshooting guide for the HP Omnibook 5. If your device isn't turning on, we'll walk you through diagnosing potential issues and performing basic repairs. Let's get started. First, gather the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some compressed air for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Now, let's begin by checking the power supply. Connect your HP Omnibook 5 to the charger and ensure that the connection is secure. Look for any LED indicators on the device that suggest it is receiving power. If you see no lights, the power adapter may be faulty. Use a multimeter to test the voltage output of the adapter. If it's not delivering the correct voltage, consider replacing it. If the power adapter is functional, the next step is to check the battery. Remove the battery from the device. Examine the battery terminals for any signs of corrosion or damage. Clean the terminals gently with a cloth. If you have a spare battery, try using it to see if the laptop powers on. Next, let's open up the HP Omnibook 5 for a more in-depth check. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the bottom panel of the device. Keep track of the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the panel off to access the internal components. Inspect the motherboard and other connections for any visible damage or loose cables. If you find any loose connectors, carefully reseat them. Dust can accumulate inside, causing overheating or short circuits. Use compressed air to gently clean the internal components, being careful not to damage any parts. If everything looks good and the device still doesn't power on, it might be a more complex issue with the motherboard itself. At this point, if you're feeling uncertain, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can identify the problem without any commitment on your part. If you choose to proceed with repairs, check for any signs of burnt components on the motherboard. If you find any, replacing the motherboard may be necessary. If you don't have the tools or expertise, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your device repaired without hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple process to get your HP Omnibook 5 back in working order. Before you make any repairs, we recommend requesting a quote before repair. This way, you'll know what to expect in terms of costs. If you decide to handle the repairs yourself, ensure you follow safety precautions, especially when dealing with electrical components. Reassemble your HP Omnibook 5 carefully, ensuring all screws are tightened and components are securely in place. Once everything is back together, try powering on the device again. If it still doesn't turn on, it may be time to consult with a professional. Thank you for following this troubleshooting guide. With these steps, you should have a clearer idea of what may be wrong with your HP Omnibook 5 and how to address it. Good luck! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.